So imagine you are playing strictly by the rules. You build a life in the U.S., you pay your taxes, and you wait years for a green card.
Which, takes forever anyway.
Right. And then right at the finish line, your application is just indefinitely frozen. You don't get a yes, you don't get a no.
You just get nothing. It is like the definition of legal limbo.
Exactly. Welcome to today's deep dive. We are unpacking the recent federal court ruling in Sagafi v. Edlow and figuring out the mechanics behind this USCIS pause.
Yeah, we really need to look at what the courts are saying about the limits of executive power here, and frankly, the real-world impact detailed in our sources today.
Right. So, what exactly is this pause?
Well, back in December 2025 and January 2026,
Yeah.
USCIS issued memos creating an adjudication hold.
An adjudication hold. Got it.
Yeah, basically targeting applications from 39 specific countries, places like Afghanistan, Iran, Syria, and Venezuela.
Wait, and looking at the case files, it even caught spouses from completely different countries, right?
Exactly. Just because they happen to be married to someone from one of those 39 nations.
Wow. I mean, compare this policy to being trapped in a waiting room where your name is never called.
That is a perfect analogy, yeah.
Your case goes through all the background checks, the interviews, but the final decision just stops.
Yeah.
It is pure legal limbo. But doesn't the executive branch usually have incredibly broad discretion when it comes to immigration?
They do, and, that was the government's exact defense in court.
Yeah.
They claimed immigration decisions are purely discretionary.
Right, meaning the judicial branch shouldn't really intervene.
Exactly. But the Maryland court pushed back hard on that. There is a vital legal distinction here under the Administrative Procedure Act.
Okay, let's unpack that. What is the distinction?
Well, the law gives federal agencies discretion over the outcome of an application.
Like they can approve or deny it.
Right. But they do not have the discretion to simply refuse to make a decision in the first place.
Ah, I see. They can't just refuse to play the game.
Exactly. The ruling explicitly states that pausing the law indefinitely is, well, it's not a valid exercise of administrative discretion.
And reading the affidavits from these plaintiffs, you really feel deep sympathy for them. The human toll here is just severe.
It really is. The sources detail a wide spectrum of harm. We are talking about highly skilled professionals.
Right, like essential doctors and engineers.
Yeah, people whose work authorizations are expiring solely because of this pause.
And like students losing their futures, right?
Right, PhD students unable to accept jobs post-graduation. Plus, you have agonizing family separations where individuals miss the chance to visit dying parents internationally.
Because leaving the country means they're abandoning their application.
Exactly. The plaintiffs argue that this indefinite pause, without any clear endpoint, is a profound moral injustice.
So the Maryland court agreed with those 83 plaintiffs and ordered USCIS to resume adjudicating their applications.
Yes, they did.
But what happens to the tens of thousands of other applicants still trapped in this system? Doesn't this set a precedent?
It does. You are anticipating the exact ripple effect we are seeing right now.
Oh, from that brand new Massachusetts ruling?
Yeah, the Doe v. Trump case. It didn't just echo the Maryland decision. It actually expanded on it.
Wait, really? How so?
Well, the court lifted the hold for another group of plaintiffs and went a step further, declaring it likely unlawful to use nationality as a negative factor to indefinitely freeze these cases.
So we are seeing a rapid, coordinated legal pushback against the foundation of the memos themselves.
Absolutely. And the advocates cited in these analyses have a very clear mission moving forward.
Which is why they are urgently asking you, the listener, to spread awareness about this unjust and unfair freeze.
Yes, shining a massive spotlight on this issue is vital so that the remaining thousands upon thousands of affected immigrants can finally get relief too.
Because public pressure and judicial precedent might force a broader resolution.
That is the ultimate hope, yes.
It is a compelling argument, and taking a step back, this whole situation leaves you with a pretty chilling question to mull over.
Oh, what's that?
Well, if a government agency can quietly hit an indefinite pause on one group's legal rights with zero explanation, what is to stop them from doing the exact same thing to other foundational systems we all rely on?